Hey there, I'm Parth Doshi, exploring the field of RPA and sharing my learnings with you by making videos. So, maybe a month or 1.5 month back, I had posted on LinkedIn that forum is a very useful place to share your knowledge and even learn different ways of doing a single particular thing. So, from then, I have been very active on UiPath forum. I have been helping people by giving the solutions to the problems they are facing if I have knowledge about that, and it has helped me a lot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new complete playlist on my YouTube channel that is going to be forum solutions. So whatever solutions that I write on forum, sometimes it is like we face similar kind of problem, but you don't get that in the search results easily when you search on Google. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create videos on different kinds of solutions that are accepted as solution by the user posting the query, and I will be making videos only on that. So I hope this helps you in many different ways, because there are many solutions that I have given for different queries, like you can say orchestrator related, Excel automation related, selectors related, or related to some other different kinds of activities. So I'm going to build this complete playlist in which we'll be seeing a single video for one single solution. So there will be multiple videos for different queries that I have answered and are accepted as solution by the user posting the query on forum. So this video is going to be about a query on orchestrator. So the end user was trying to connect the UiPath robot with the orchestrator, and he was facing the problem. So we are going to see how what problem he was facing and how I gave the solution to it. So also I will be adding the forum link, thread link in the description as well, so you can have direct and easy access to that. So let me just quickly share my screen. Yep. Okay. So first let me show my profile. So my profile is Path underscores Doshi. And you see, let me just show you all the summary. 122 days visited, 16 hours read time. And while you are watching this video, I will suggest you the same, to be very much active on forum as well, as and when you get time, and reply to the queries if you have knowledge about them, or if you have faced the similar kind of problem. This is going to be very helpful, not only to you, but to others as well. So you see, till now I have 13 solution accepted by the end user. So I'll be making video one by one on them. So there are 2.5k post read by me. Okay. So you see there are different solutions over here that I have answered. There are 13 solutions. So the first one that we are going to see quickly is, how do I connect robot to orchestrator? Now let me open that particular query from the user. So Amir has the doubt. Hi, I am new to UiPath. Okay, let me just maximize this more. Okay. Hi, I'm new to UiPath. I'm currently learning Orchestrator for developers on UiPath Academy. In Studio, I am using community license, which is the free version. I'm stuck at how to connect robot to Orchestrator. I have to check through the web that they need to put in the Orchestrator URL and machine key. But on my UiPath Assistant, the Orchestrator URL is grayed out and there is no machine key text box to type in as shown in the image. So what this user is facing the problem is, as you can see the screenshot over here, he's not a, when he's signing is, he's saying as connected unlicensed, wherein he should see as connected licensed. So now the connection type that he is doing, trying to do, is service URL. But what he says is that he has seen different solutions on web which shows that you need to put the orchestrator URL and type the version key. So if you have faced similar kind of problem, what is the solution to that? Let's go through it. It is it is noted that my status is connected but unlicensed. Any help will be appreciated. Okay. So I have solved this query. So what I had said in first reply, click on connection type and change it to the other option available there. Copy your URL and machine key and let me know if this works. So let me show it in the assistant as well. So what the end user was trying to do is, let me get my assistant on that same particular screen. So we get a practical knowledge about that as well. Let me go to orchestrator settings. Let me disconnect. And he has this option, right? So, okay, it's showing me over here. when the system dialog. Okay, great. Now you see it is the same screen that this user is seeing, right? So what we are saying is similar to what he is saying. So hi, I am unable to click anything on the connection type. The drop down is not responsive. So similarly, you see the drop down is not responsive. So what is the solution to this when you want to put the machine key and the orchestrator URL? The solution is in the next reply. Click on sign out and then try. So let's do that. I'm clicking on sign out. I'm selecting the other option as I suggested to him. Here I have typed my machine name. This is my orchestrator URL and the machine key is what I've got from the orchestrator. Let me quickly click on connect and you see connected and licensed. So now my robot is connected and if I close this, right, I see a green signal over here. Okay, so this was the, now you see green signal, robot is connected to the orchestrator. Did it work? Yes. Sorry for the delay. Yes, it worked, and I'm currently trying to connect the robot. But do I need to sign in again and again in order to do advanced training in the future? So no, this need not be done again and again. So if I just simply close this, right, I have done for the one time. Now I'm going to open my assistant again, and you see it is by default connected because it takes the settings that I have done initially. So here it is. No. Once you need to do, that's it. Please mark it as solution. Thank you very much. And it was closed on 4th October. So you see, this is how the solution to the problem when you want to connect your robot to the orchestrator through UiPath Assistant. I hope this video helped you and you understood a solution to some problem. So if whenever someone asks you about similar kind of problem, you can just simply share this particular video along with this forum thread link. Thank you for watching the complete video, and you will be soon seeing the videos on this different solutions as well. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Parth Doshi, Learning by Doing, and make sure we are connected on LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, and Medium. Thank you.